All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Jasmy community. Appreciate you guys for sticking around on a day-to-day basis. Let's take a look at what's happening with the price, analyze the chart, see what we could be expecting going further into Thursday morning. So I'm sure if you're not living under a rock, you know what's happening across the board. You're still seeing that lag in altcoins. Yes, a few coins are feeling the love right now, but majority of the coins still down, against Bitcoin, because dominance index is literally going to the moon, and it is impacting altcoins in a massive way, which a lot of people continue to completely ignore. Looking at Jasmy's overall price action, it's down about 2.8% over the past 24 hours, with the price currently sitting at 2.13 cents. We're down about 3% in Bitcoin comparative as well. Market valuation still, managing to hold above $1 billion, to be exact, 1.03 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $222.9 million. So, the fact that it's holding above like psychological market valuation is obviously something nice to point out right now. But let's take a look at its price and see what we can, take away from that. So, before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, looking at the dominance index, as I've literally been speaking to you guys about this, and honestly, I sound like a broken record at this point. The fact that, I've been pointing at this specific indicator to you guys for the longest time. And I'm sure a lot of people are kind of, realizing how important this tool really is. What you're noticing right now, so obviously if you are a Jasmy holder, this does apply to you because Jasmy is indeed being impacted by this. You're seeing a lot of money from altcoins, so specifically profits flowing into Bitcoin, because uncertainty is still quite high for the crypto markets. And what is this going to do? This is going to make altcoins lag, even though Bitcoin is not looking as bad as you guys might think. We did see a massive move towards the upside, I believe, just to shake out all the shorts that were piling up. You saw the price of Bitcoin making its way up to almost $58,000 again. I think massive amounts of liquidations did happen, but Bitcoin doesn't seem to be looking as bad as you might think, right? We're obviously touching the neckline on the 23.6 fib zone. With that said, you're seeing altcoins, on the other hand, are pretty much down 3 times, compared to what Bitcoin is at right now. So again, this is what I want you guys to realize. Look at it. Bitcoin is only down about 0.4%. Jasmy is down 3%. Render 5.5. Ohm 5%. You guys get the idea as to what I'm trying to tell you. But let's take a look at what's happening with Jasmy right now. So let's zoom in a little bit. What you're noticing with the price of Jasmy right now is, of course, it's pretty much hanging where it was just about yesterday. You're seeing the support, especially around the 2.13 cents, really playing as a significant level. And that can really be seen just on the daily time frame. We don't even need to go into the hourly in order to get that confirmation. You could see that just based off of looking at the daily time frame. So we did see a little bit of a wick all the way down to the 2.3 cents, as the price of Bitcoin did make its way up just a few days back. Not a few days back, I would literally say just yesterday, around almost $58,000. We did see Jasmy actually make its way up to 2.36 cents. But now you guys are probably wondering, Crypto ZX, we're very close to the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but why is Jasmy's price not seeing the 2.3 cents resistance retested? And again, if you want to put that into perspective, that itself is a 12% move. That's a 12% move, so it's not a small move by any means. So why is this, seeing so much boring momentum within the price of Jasmy right now? Guess what? Dominance picking up to yearly highs. You need to understand the importance of the dominance index. And if this continues to increase, and, obviously, if you were an altcoin holder right now, and let's say you do see a rejection or a fake out once again towards the downside, guess what? You are going to see Jasmy fall back down potentially to 1.9 cents, even, I think a 1.58 cents, retest could be in the books. And that's a 25% pullback. And honestly, realistically speaking, if Bitcoin were to drop down to 49K, that is a very, very realistic price target to be aiming for. And I've been quite clear on my personal thoughts regarding the overall market. I've been saying that I still don't buy it because it just doesn't feel right as far as the traditional market goes, and we haven't heard any official announcement coming in. That could obviously be a bullish indication. What you're looking at, just look at what Warren Buffett's doing. He sold all his big tech company stocks, all his other stocks that he was holding in his portfolio pretty much 2 to 3 weeks back, and what he's holding right now are treasury bills. He's holding treasury bills right now rather than stock. So does he know something? Does he see something that's coming? And again, that itself is bringing in a lot of people having discussions around this. Like, why is he holding a lot of, T-bills, which again is, again, a good argument to be having. And these guys are, sophisticated investors. They've been doing this for decades. So I think something is up, and I think stock market, their uncertainty is not over just yet, but let's see what happens. I will obviously keep you guys covered, but let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you doing with Jasmy? What are your price predictions? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.